Hey everyone, Victoria here, founder of Credit Fix Solutions, to share yet another great success story for one of our clients. Client ID 6117, let's call her Lynn. Now we have our law firm, so Credit Fix Lawyers, and our lawyer sits there and helps us to remove adverse court actions from consumer and company credit reports. So Lynn came on board and she had a court action for $16,760. Not good. Anyway, within 8 weeks, we had managed to remove that from her credit report and she was able to move forward with her life. Now we got a review, a 5-star review back from Lynn, and I'll just read it out to you because I really like this one. We had something on our credit report that didn't belong there, and attempts to find the right person to contact was next to impossible. It was a real mess and we were getting nowhere until we met the lovely team from Credit Fix Solutions. They resolved the matter in just 6 weeks. So there you go, another happy family, another happy client, another credit report saved. We're not just here to fix credit, we're here to change lives. Please get in touch today for your free credit report assessments and education. Very important that we all learn how to improve and protect our credit reports moving forward. Send an email or reach out to us on the website and we look forward to helping. Thanks for listening.